Welcome back, Filmholics. My name is Kyle Koenig, but in this channel I find anything and everything filmmaking. Now today we're not gonna check out this, we're actually gonna check out this right over here. It is the Sony a5000. It's a very old camera. It is a very big predecessor of the a6000. So let's check this out. So I can say a lot about this camera, but instead I'm just gonna show you guys right now as well. Now all the footage you just saw was filmed with the a5000. Now the Sony a5000 is a very old camera, and it has as regular features as any other DSLR camera. It's without S-Log or any log system. It just films, and that's what it does. But the thing is, this camera review isn't really a camera review. This review is actually to show you guys that the camera doesn't matter. But what really matters? Well, that's all the skills and the time and effort and work you put into making every video and every film you can. These days, camera culture is everywhere. Everywhere you look around, there's someone with a camera. So how are you gonna shine through the rest where everyone else has a camera? Well, you just gotta pick up any old camera, make that thing work, make yourself work, hit those reps, create some time for your passion and the thing that you love most, and just fucking film. Just film. It's as simple as that. I know it's scary, and for all of us, where we started, it's always scary to pick up a camera. I don't understand why, but it just is. But you gotta conquer that fear to hit your dreams in the face. So just film. And if you guys are just starting out, and you guys just wanna film, and you feel that need to just get the camera, get a story behind you, and release that into the world, I have a gear list down below for you guys in kit.com. Go ahead and check that out. All of our affiliate links, so they help out the channel with no extra cost to you guys, but it allows you guys to film no matter what, wherever you go, with just the cheapest amount of gear that you could get at the moment right now. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and dream on.